Hey, what's up, guys? This is George at 310 East Florence Boulevard, O'Reilly's, your local auto parts store in Casa Grande. I wanted to talk about all those hot temperatures that are going on right now. You know, we're hitting triple digits, 110 degrees, 105 degrees, your car's getting warm. Your AC is not as cool as it used to be. It's very possible it could be low on Freon. We have these easy solutions right here. You got AC Pro, Big Chill, Arctic Freeze. This has the gauge on there and also the injection hose right there. There's tons of tutorial videos online that you can check this out and see how to install that properly, or ask your favorite CSR at your favorite O'Reilly's parts store to get some advice on how to do this the right way. But hey guys, come on down. We got better parts, better prices, O'Reilly's. Guys, on a more funnier note, if you guys want to go back to 2019, you're getting tired of 2020, we got this flux capacitor right here that you can find online. Go to O'Reilly Auto Parts and then type in 121G, line code EB, and you'll see this awesome flux capacitor. It's a really funny gag, but check it out, guys.